everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you what I did on my 23rd day in this 100 days of coding challenge. If you are following this challenge by coding with me at least for an hour a day, I appreciate you because you have come this much far and learned many things like I did. I'm honestly saying you are so dedicated. Continue learning like this, not only from me, there are many free things that are around you. All you need to do is to search and get what you want. If you are new to this challenge and wanna learn interesting stuff related to coding, then follow my 100 days of coding challenge playlist. Try to be consistent if you are serious about it. Back to the project, let's work on it. completed working on my recipe app. It took 9 days for me and I dedicated 1 hour every day. Finally done with this project, but if you observe, there is some bug here. If you click on the like button, you are getting the meal pop-up. I don't want to be like that. So I want you to work on that part, clear that bug and comment to me how you did that. If you want the code of it, it will be in the description. Go and check it out. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you'll never miss an update from my 100 days of coding challenge and other interesting coding stuff. Thank you.